Assalamu alaikum. Greetings everyone. My name is Aya. I'm a digital resident of the Museum of the Future. Welcome to my home. Like everything you see here, I was envisioned by the Dubai Future Foundation and brought to life by storytellers, visionary technologists, and artists from around the world. My intelligence infuses this building and powers every exhibit it holds. As you voyage to the future, I will be your guide. The worlds that you will encounter are not predictions, they are challenges. Your task is to explore and return with discoveries that can help the present. My intelligence can take in many forms, from light to sound. You'll find me most often as my avatar. Isn't she cute? Your journey begins in a very special place and time. Mohammed bin Rashid Spaceport, February 2071. The launch is about to start. Follow me.
Please follow me this way, please.
وأمامنا رحلة ممتعة. استعدوا للانطلاق بعد لحظات قليلة. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. I'd like to welcome you all aboard today's spaceflight to OSS Hope. It's a beautiful day, so we're expecting a spectacular journey. Please prepare for launch in just a few moments.
Very cool.
سيداتي وسادتي، إذا نظرتم إلى فضاء خارجا على الجانب الأيمن من الكبسولة ستلمحون محطة الفضاء المدارية أمل. أليست جميلة؟ لقد تسلمت محطة الفضاء المدارية أمل التحكم بتنفيذ عملية الاتهام النهائية. أسعدني جدا أن أنقذ رحلتكم اليوم. استمتعوا بهذا المنظر الخلاب. Ladies and gentlemen, if you look up into space on the starboard side of the capsule, you will see OSS Hope just coming to view now. Isn't she beautiful? OSS Hope now has control over her final docking. It's been a pleasure to be your captain today. Please enjoy the view.
kilometers above Earth. Let's get to know the neighborhood. Follow me.
Welcome again, everyone, to Oasis Home. Let's for Aya from boats. To us in both English and Arabic. Please make sure not to touch any of the surface for safety reasons.
هذا الصف الرائع هو محطة الفضاء المدارية أمل، وهي أكبر محطة مدارية صنعها الإنسان ومن أعظم إنجازات البشرية. This magnificent edifice, orbital space station home, is the largest orbiting structure ever built and one of humanity's greatest achievements. للمحطة وظائف متعددة، أهمها أنها مركز القيادة لمشروع نظام الطاقة الشمسية سول. سول هو الاسم الذي أطلقناه على المشروع العالمي المشترك لتزويد الأرض بالطاقة الشمسية المستمدة من الفضاء. The station serves many functions, but its most important is as the command center for the Soul project. Soul is the code name for a global effort to power the Earth using solar energy collected from space. يشكل حزام الطاقة الكهروضوئية القمري الركيزة الأساسية لهذا النظام. يتألف الحزام من ألواح شمسية تدور حول القمر على مسافة أكثر من 10,000 كيلومتر. تتحول الطاقة الشمسية التي تجمعها الألواح إلى إشعاع من الطاقة الكهربائية، ثم ينتقل ذلك الإشعاع الليزري إلى شبكة من الألواح العاكسة والأقمار الاصطناعية. تتولى الألواح العاكسة إعادة توجيه أشعة الليزر نحو الأقمار الاصطناعية التي تدور حول الأرض. At the heart of this system is the lunar photovoltaic belt. This belt of solar panels circles the moon, extending for over 10,000 kilometers. The solar energy collected in the panels is converted into laser beams of electric energy. These lasers beam towards a network of deflectors and satellites. The deflectors redirect the laser beams towards satellites that orbit the Earth. ولهذه الأقمار الاصطناعية القدرة على تحويل طاقة الليزر إلى موجات كهرومغناطيسية دقيقة. ترسل طاقة تلك الموجات إلى محطات الاستقبال في مختلف مناطق العالم. وحين تبدأ هذه المحطات بالعمل، سنتمكن من استغلال الشمس لإنتاج معظم الطاقة التي تحتاج إليها الأرض. These incredible satellites can transform the laser energy into microwaves. The microwave energy is beamed to receiving stations around the globe. When these stations finally come online, we will be able to provide the majority of the Earth's energy from the sun. لكن لن تتحقق هذه الأهداف دون محطة الفضاء المدارية أمل، فهي الركيزة الأساسية ومركز قيادة مشروع سول. But none of this would be possible without OSS Hope. It is the centerpiece and command station for the entire Soul project and humanity's home among the stars.
Thank you, Aya, and thank you, pioneers. We can.
Was the first man to go to space, and one of the Martin was the first man to go on space. Also, we have Krista, who was the first teacher in space exploration. She stated that space is for everyone. As you can see on top, it's written in all languages. Remember, space is for everyone. It doesn't matter if you're young, old, or rich, whatever that you are. On top, we have the solar system. With the solar system, each planet is sitting on top of an outer lab. The outer lab was used by the Islamic Golden Era in search of location and also the prayer direction. Behind us, we have 3 interactive stations whereby we get to know outside possibilities of project and way of it. And hopefully everyone has their tags. We all have a tag. On the table, just stand next to the Wi-Fi section and then get to see everything in details. So it's just here with record for the flash. Thank you. We can proceed and explore and enjoy the experiences.
live. So it captures all of the images that you saw as well and getting live feeds that you watching your installation outside. So this is the whole website that we resort to
As I was saying, the historic first venue Emirates getting sold this station will go online. One thing artists saw that almost all Earth's energy is the sun. It can be shared across continents is making the rocket human civilization, but rather overloaded. I like to think of it as a union of life.
Here. You can come here, it has more room. Please do not lean on the door. The door will open from the other side. Right? So be careful.
Philosophy, as